In the last video, we added structure and our first JavaScript interaction. Our project works and that's important. In this video, we are not adding new features. We are going to clean things up and make this project feel more professional. This is the project as it is right now. Everything is working. Now let's do what front-end developers usually do next. Organize the code. As project grow, we don't want everything in one file. So the first thing we will clean up is our CSS. This won't change how the page looks. It just makes the code easier to manage. Nothing new here. We are just moving existing code into its own file. The page looks exactly the same. That's a good sign. Organization shouldn't break things. Now that the things are organized, we can add a little polish. Nothing fancy, just small improvements. This doesn't change functionality, it just makes the project feel complete. Notice what we didn't do. We didn't add new features. We didn't change JavaScript. We just cleaned up what already worked. This is a very normal front-end workflow. Our JavaScript is still inside the HTML. In the next video, we will clean that up too. Build first, then improve, then clean and polish. If this approach helps you, consider subscribing. Let's build front-end faster.